Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is AI Masterclass series where I'm making AI simple for you. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you what is context window in terms of AI. Let's get started. All right, so what exactly is context window? The context window is the short-term memory of your digital intern. Why are we calling it digital intern? If you're following this series, I'm using an example analogy of a digital intern to make you understand. So, in short, you can say that it's a short term memory of the intern. It's the maximum amount of information it can keep in mind at one single time. Now, why is exactly this is helpful? Because since it's a short term memory, that means it tells how much it can remember, how much it can read, and how much to use at any given point of time. Think of it like an intern's short term memory which is in play. Now, imagine this. If you are explaining a task to an intern, if you give short instructions, intern will remember everything. If you start giving long, very long instructions, intern will forget the beginning, right? So think of it like first come, first out. So let me help you with more detailed way. Think of the context window as the size of the intern's desk. It can only work with what fits on the table right now. The important rule that you have to remember is first in, first out, which means once the desk starts getting too crowded, the intern has to toss the oldest paper, which is the start of your chat, into the bin to make room for the new ones. Every single word that you type and every single word that the AI talks back to you takes the space on that desk. If your conversation is longer than the window, the AI will literally forget what you talked about at the very beginning. A small context window means the intern can only remember a few pages. A large context window means it can remember the entire book at once. The bigger the desk, the more the intern can handle, but it might take a little longer to find exactly what it needs. So context window is what tells the AI to remember what was conversation earlier. So remember this, the bigger the context window, the better the memory will be, the better the recall will be. I hope the concept of context window is clear. I hope you're enjoying this series where I'm making AI easy with simple explanations for you. Follow me for daily AI videos. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is your AI Masterclass series from Arc Tutorials. Thank you.